Hello viewers, welcome to Varun Krishna job channel. Today again we are going to see some interesting fresher job opportunity in a reputed organization. Let's see everything in detail in this video. Before that, I'm just keep saying the same thing. I'm just repeating again and again in my each video. So Varun Krishna job channel always will do post genuine tech job updates. So which is going to post for both freshers and experienced professionals. So please do subscribe. In case if you feel you are okay, then share the same to your nearby job seekers, friends and colleagues. So one who looking for the job as a fresher or experienced professional, I'm whatever the jobs I'm just posting, which is very suitable for them. So that's why I'm just requesting you to share the same to all the job seekers, respectively, either they are freshers or experienced professional. And so I'm just posting all the video, both of them only. I'm just concentrating freshers as well as the experienced. Yes, let's see the job description right away. Let's go and watch the video. This is our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing in each video. I'm not the hiring person. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. In case if anyone of the employer or anyone asks you to pay the money to get a job, please do not pay. It might be the fake one for sure. Also, I'm not the responsible for this. Okay, let's dive into this video. Yes, viewers, the company name called Micron. So Micron hiring software test solution engineer. Let's see everything in detail in this video. What is the position they are just hiring? Where is the location they are just hiring? What is the qualification? And as well as rest process like interview process, everything in detail in this video. Again, I'm just repeating. Please do not skip anything. In case if you skip something, for sure you're going to miss something. Yes, let's see in detail in this video one by one. Yes, the position is called software test solution engineer, like I said, right, which is applicable for freshers 2023 passed out, applicable only for them only. Okay, so which is not applicable for 2024 passed out, which is purely 2023 batch. Okay, those who are already passed out. Yes, the job designation software test solution engineer, qualification any bachelor's as well as the master's degree. The experience, nothing is required in experience. Simply you should be as a fresher, that is enough, without any standing arrears. They have mentioned in this description. Please go through properly. In case if you are having any standing arrears, you are not eligible for this position. Please keep it in mind before you applying this post. Yes, the location is Hyderabad, Telangana. So again, I'm just repeating the same only. So as a fresher, be open to all the locations across the India, across the globe also. If you're ready to get the right chance, then please prepare. Do not stick with any particular location. For sure, it's going to spoil your life. Why? Because it's very tough time for you freshers. Just get a single notification from any of the companies, either it is MNCs or some other small scale companies. It's very tough, you know very well, I hope. So in order to avoid all those things, whenever you get the notification, again I'm just repeating the same thing in my each and every video. I'm going to repeat the same, which is very important. So that's why I'm just doing the same thing again and again. Check whether the genuine company or not. If it is a genuine company, go through the description and please apply immediately without hesitate for anything, without waste your time as well. Time is very crucial. So lakhs of candidates, students are just fighting behind you. Also, the stand out your resume very well. That's why the hiring people get noticed whenever they are seeing your resume. They got really impressed. Then obviously they will just sharing with the interview call letter. Yes, viewers, let's see how to apply the position. What is the link you need to apply? Everything I will just going to show one by one. I just given the same link into my description box. Once you click that link, obviously it's going to their career page. I will show you one by one, step by step. Yes. Yes, viewers, I just given the link into my description box. You just click that link. Obviously, just navigate to this Micron's careers official page. Then you can see the position they are just declared recently. This is the position they are just declared. Test solution engineer, which is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. So I just said everything in this video. So the requisition ID also they are just given here. Simply what you need to do, what I just said in my each and every video. Please go through the roles and responsibilities and job description, the requirement, what are they looking from you. Please go through first. Then before you apply this position. So simply then what you need to do, once you after you have gone through all those things, then you need to simply click that apply now button. So again I'm saying, in case simply you can, in this Micron they are just looking from you. Simply you can drop your resume wherever you are having the right, or you can select it from your physical location. So that's it. So for sure, in case if you are the HR partners, they are satisfied in your resume, for sure they are going to get a reply which is the sense they are going to give an email for your personal email ID for in case if you are shortlisted for this further more interview. This is the position. In more details they will just let you know through the email. Please be alert, keep checking your email once you after apply this position. Yes viewers, I hope it would be very useful. Let's see one more job notification in my upcoming video. Yes viewer, thank you very much watching this video. I hope it would be very useful for you as a fresher. So it would be very useful video. I hope you would be also feel the same thing, I guess. So in case if you feel which is not relevant to you, again I'm just saying the same thing. Please share the same to your nearby colleagues, friends, or job seekers, whoever just having the friend circle network in your LinkedIn or any other. When you are going for the interview, that time you just get a relationship for them. So wherever you are getting the network, please share them as well. So in case if you're not okay about this criteria, about this job position, you just share the same to them. If they watch this video, at least they would get benefited by watching this video. Yes, not but least, our Krishna job channel always do post genuine tech job updates, which is applicable for both freshers and experienced. If you are okay, then please don't forget to subscribe. Obviously it's going to give me a lot of confidence to post upcoming job notification in this channel. Also it just give me a lot of boost. Okay, it's a very good opportunity for me to have a chat with you guys as a fresh job seekers. I'm ready to give you my suggestions. I'm ready to one-to-one communication as well if you are interested. Yes viewer, thank you so much. One more time, let me connect with you upcoming new job notification. Until then, signing off. Bye.